Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show you how to set work address in Google Maps. This is very simple and easy, but it's very useful. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Now let's start. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Then tap on profile picture icon. This is located on the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on settings. Now tap on edit home or work. See here, there are two options. One is home and another is work. Now tap on set work. You can search your address from here or you can source on map. For the source on map, tap on map. Now drag to adjust your work location. For example, this is work location, and after selecting your work location, now tap on save. See here, your work location is now set. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you.